All charges against MAZI Nnamdi Kanu dismissed, Nnamdi Kanu discharged and acquitted. Was it a case of vendetta? That the federal government could not even disclose the location of the arrest of MAZI Nnamdi Kanu? Welcome to Open Whispers channel. See something, say something, and do something. Justice at last. Freedom at last. Welcome to the arena with Chris Digos. MAZI Nnamdi Kanu was finally acquitted today of all charges leveled against him by the federal government of Nigeria. We are living in an era where evil is right and right is evil. An era where Boko Haram terrorist group are being freed, given all sorts of soft landers. Yet, a freedom fighter has been harassed, detained since 2015. His latest travel has been since last year, and on this channel we've been advocating for his freedom, unconditional freedom, because Nnamdi Kanu is a political prisoner, a prisoner of conscience. But despite the fact that he's been acquitted and his release is imminent, do not forget that no country survives without justice. Because the triumph of evil over good is only temporary. It can never last. And as we wait for his release from DSS custody, we have to say this. Regardless of what happens where Nnamdi Kanu is, if the reasons for the agitations from the Southeast is not addressed, no peace may still come from that area. Because the struggle for freedom, the struggle against injustice lives beyond Nnamdi Kanu. It didn't start with him, it may not end with him. But until the various component units of the country, of the nation called Nigeria, are being treated equally, until Abba Kyari, the criminal cop, is extradited to the US to face criminal charges, until all those who are involved in one evil or the other, especially the oil bunkering in the Niger Delta area, are brought to book. Why was the vessel that was caught stealing oil burnt instead of being preserved as an evidence against those involved? This is criminal cover-up. You see, when too many things are going wrong in a country, some set of people are being protected while some are being antagonized and victimized. Until that system is overhauled, there may be no peace in Nigeria. This is Open Whispers. We celebrate with MAZI Nnamdi Kanu, we celebrate with the people of the Southeast, and we hope now that the Monday sit at home, perpetuated by the non-state actors, not IPOB, will now stop. Southeast will now know peace. I hope so. And I hope all the people of Southeast extraction will now come together to achieve peace, a lasting one for that matter. And I hope this will be done immediately, so that that peace that brings freedom, that peace that brings justice, that peace that brings progress will know the Southeast, and the Southeast will know East. This is Open Whispers. Be well, do good work, and please keep in touch. Thank you.